Only true bird lovers can get all 5 right. Let's test you. Question 1. Which bird is known as the fastest bird in the world? Peregrine falcon. It can dive at over 300 kilometers per hour. Question 2. Which bird cannot fly? Penguin, but it's an amazing swimmer. Question 3. Which bird lays the largest egg? Ostrich. One egg can weigh over 1.5 kilograms. Question 4. Which bird is a symbol of peace? Dove. A worldwide symbol of peace and love. Question 5. Which bird is famous for mimicking human speech? Parrot. Some parrots can learn hundreds of words. How many did you get right? Comment your score and follow for more fun quizzes.